Hello everyone, very good evening. Respected Maharaj, respected Father, sisters, and the ADOIC President and all the executive, and to all the beloved youths, boys and girls, a very good evening once again. I, Suraj, someone might know me, and someone might not. Actually, what Suzoi told me to say something about Youth Tripura Federation. In short, that is YTF. We, on behalf of YTF, under the leadership of our beloved Maharaj, we don't think ourselves that we are from a political background. We are fighting for our movement. What is the movement? Movement for justice and the rights of the indigenous Tripura people in our state. That is under the leadership of our beloved Maharaj. Many might say that Tripura Motha YTF TWF. It's a name. It's not a name. It's a movement. We are fighting. Tamni bagai sentini siklaro kebangma Tripura poriwei sakiri Khwnani musung zaga. Ini bubagrani logio tamni bagai Khwnani musung. Sini hawo sentir komoi thana bagai fight kaitu. Ini Saint Xavier is my school actually, Maharaj. It's been 16 years. Today once again I'm standing here. Class 10, that is my class. That is my section. Father Rafael was our vice principal. Father Edmund Labra was our principal at that time. Ajwarabo Sumoro Polifru Saint Xavier Kaisano Sungza was the teachers of what we have been asked. What is your aim in life and what is your hobbies? Many of us we say, I want to become a doctor, I want to become an engineer. And some of our friends says, in a job, I want to become a cobbler. But when we grow up, Polika, Torka, Lokha, Sungtruk, Saimanka, what is happening in Tripura? When I first met Maharaj in the year 2011 in Shillong, as I was the General Secretary of the DSF, Maharaj taught me to fight for the rights of our people. Not only that, even when Maharaj came us and preaches us in one word, that is Hansa, which means unity. All things can be done by unity. That is what Maharaj is telling us again and again, several times in every corner of the state. Under the leadership of Maharaj, we could not give anything, but Maharaj has taught us to fight back for our ability, for our rights, and he has taught us to fight back what we really need for in our state. Sentini zaga thangai kumzui to Suzoyana Sawatini. No need to talk about religious. Please talk for what we have been doing. Sentam Khaitong. Why they will come Khaitong Tripura Haste? Abasikisa Saika. Because everyone are youth here. Joto sakiri Khwnani muchungu, joto doctor nani muchungu, joto engineer nani muchungu, joto lawyer nani muchungu. But sini hani bagai leaders ko kaham tamu nai tini kebangma sikliro bubagarano tuyasa yakin logiri taisi. Tini abono sentini abanang saka I have told Suzoi, will it be right platform to speak about politics? And he said, please go ahead. Because all the youths we are sitting here right now are from Tripura. Kansari Bising Day, Sun, Sini Hano, Sun Baket to Khwna. Sini Baket Khwrwng leader as a kid, Abunga Bubaba. Tazik Bari Fadi Saito. Boba Grani Party, Sun Tabu Sini, how can we leader Nukya? Politics pasang hai local santan hai. It's like a kind of political speech. So, abu ni bagai sun sini hani bagai fight karena hai. First, we must be educated. Boba kerana sini bagai prefer kayu. Education is most important for us. Boba kerana tahu ni bagai fight kayu. Maharaj is fighting for us for land rights, political rights, economic rights, for everything. And we are so lucky to have such leader among us. The 186 king. Kabang Masaw, there is no Maharaj in the state. But Chini Bakani, Chini Bakawas, what Chini Maharaj is. Abu came Suraj Mania, Abu came Suraj Mania. Hariyatom, Abu Sun came Sai, Chini Bakawas was Suraj Mania. Abu Nibagai, Sin like Chini Tripura Haste, Tabotama, Yutro. We all are involved in drugs. Drugs of us legalizer. Kabangma drugs of Salay, Sini Kabangma, some family money, Sawi, Sintiri, Lama Korozali Tomahese, Sini Manthe, Bagay, Sania. Abun Baino, Sini Tabun, all generation. Simono Kaisano wants to take a life. Sentam Libel is more steps in an enactment. Kabangma youths from across the state, Tirupani, Kabangma Tabu. Bobagrani hope the Bising thing, faith the Bising thing, San Bobagram to Kirito. Abon Papi, Ampoine, Tini Joto or Tonglai Sini Joto Sigla, Norok Bahino, Sini House and Tam Kajako, but Tam Khwlainani, Abon Joto Sim. Abon Papi, Sin, Norok Sunat Tuba Yapano, Sini Bagay Suri winner of Sunat Tuba de Hais. Non Suri Mumpotoni Bising, some success and I have Bisas Poito. Asukok Sabina, Jara Bomdi Bisingo, Jatana Hai Hambai, and thank you very much to organizers and all the youths for